Hey guys, it's Bryce in Motion. Today, we are headed for a marketplace find. I'm super excited about this. I have a special place in my heart for an old pickup, like pre-50s pickup. And I've had a project in mind for a long time. I want to, hopefully we can purchase this 46 International pickup. It looks pretty well complete, and I'm hoping we can mount it on a Duramax chassis and have a truck to tow around the Camaro. So let's see what happens. But I have some things that I want to do. I've seen people do builds like this, but I want air conditioning. I want the dash from the donor truck. I want creature comforts. And one thing I hate when people do this type of swap is it feels like everything's crammed in this really small cab. So we're gonna have to enlarge this 46 cab quite a bit, which I think will set us apart from a lot of the other builds that I've seen. Stay tuned. This is likely another 2-year project. So buckle up. On this project, we're going to record it from literally start to finish. So guys, give us a like and a follow. I think we're gonna be building some cool things. He's sitting there on the porch. You can hear me? Hey, pup. Hey. Hey, I'm friendly. How's it going? So basically the idea behind this is we started a project, it's called the Camaro. I mounted a 67 Camaro on top of a 19 Corvette. Okay. So my idea is on this truck to build it to tow that car.
Oh man, that'd be cool.
That'd be the best use of a 46.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you don't mind when we get down there, we'll just walk around it, do some before videos. That way, as we do this.
You want to pull it out before you do that?
Oh no, I'd like to see it just like it is.
I mean, it's in there with farm equipment.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Do you want to jump on or?
No, I'll just walk
out. Okay, so there we are. Yep.
I mean, I really don't know that much about it. Like I said, I got it at a auction in Chandler.
Okay.
And then I hauled it down here. And it's been sitting here for about 6 or 7 years.
Okay.
I was going to redo it myself, and then I'm getting up there in age where I don't have the time with the farming and everything. I just don't have the time to do it.
Yeah, and that's a project.
It is. On these old trucks like this, the sky is the limit.
Yeah, when we put a Duramax in it, it'll be it'll be up there. I think we're gonna have to widen the body and stretch the cab both directions. Reason is I would like to put the dash from the Duramax. We have air conditioning, all of that.
Well, you are gonna.
But if we widen it both directions. Yeah. But if I'm out there tinkering on it at midnight, yeah, that's me in heaven. There's a lot of this we won't use, but I like that it's got 2 hoods. That makes stretching it easy. You do have a title, don't you?
Yes.
Good deal. It's amazing how small these trucks were.
On the inside?
Yeah, just tiny. Oh man, you're right. These rear fenders do have some. But man, you can buy these beds complete. They're not impossible to find. And then you said the body's not bolted down, right? But it's so dang heavy, it's not going in. Oh yeah, do you have any bolts or anything that goes with it?
No.
Nothing.
I mean, this is how I found it.
Well, and that's the deal. So what I'll likely do is sit it out the back of the yard, and every time I drive by it, just stare, let the ideas go. You can't remake that right there.
No, you
can't. And of course we'll chop it all up and do modern headlights and who knows what else. Heck, maybe even put a tow truck bed on it. You never know. You got it listed for $2,000. What's bottom dollar? I brought cash.
I mean, what would you be willing to?
I'd like to get it for 15, if we could do that.
I really don't want to go that low.
Where are you at?
I'm about 18.
Let's do it.
Okay.
That's the deal. Okay.
Part of the hood.
What do you guys think that is?
I'm not sure what it is. I didn't know if it was part of the racing on the hood at the front.
Maybe
It's kind of
so.
a Chris, I don't know.
Huh. Well, guys, we bought it. The process begins. I feel like we got an okay deal on it. $1,800 for, at worst, a piece of art. Someone would pay $1,800 for this to be in their yard with a waterfall coming out of it or something crazy. Who knows? But we'll park it in the back for a little while, get staged up and ready for one heck of a build. You know, looking at it, there's just a lot. There's so much to do. But we're not afraid of work, are we? Let's build some cool stuff, guys.